Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make your own air freshener so that your house can smell nice. So we are going to use only 3 ingredients, which is lemon juice, fabric softener, and lukewarm water. So guys, fabric softener, you can use any fabric softener you want, guys. So we are going to use a spoon of fabric softener, and then a half spoon of lemon juice, and then our water, guys. And then our water is 100 milliliter. And then you just mix it. You just mix. And then you put it in a container. It smells nice, guys. So you can just spray in the house. Your house will feel fresh and smell nice. Or guys, you can use a lemon. So you will just have to cut your lemon. And put your lemon in a container. Like this, guys. And then pour a fabric softener in. And your house will smell divine, guys. So yeah, guys, please comment, please share, and please guys, subscribe. See you on my next video. Love you guys. Bye.